Is Google down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Google right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Google. So if you try to go to your favorite browser and then to Google and then search for Google down, which I will do right now. So this is working, just a few features are not working. Just like this, and then if you go here to the first site, you will see that right now there are over 3,000 reports, and most reported problems are the website search and login. And if you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have issues with Google right now. So in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem. You don't have to worry about it, and unfortunately there is nothing you can do. You just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have this issue with Google right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can subscribe for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.